Okay, so the mirror tool is available with the Ctrl-Alt-M or directly from the menu modeling MIFABOMA, and you will get all the commands here. So here, for instance, we have an item and we can mirror it on the y-axis using the mirror commands. So you have a local mode, so it will use the local position of the item. So for instance, I will offset this here, and I will press Ctrl-Alt-M, mirror, and use local on the Y. So by default, it creates an instance of it. It's up to you. Actually, I'm working a lot with the instance, but it's the default mode that is currently available. I will probably let this being defined with some user preferences, so you will be able to define what you prefer: replicator, instances, or basic clone. So here I've run this in item mode, right? If I'm using the polygon mode, it will do this also, or inside the mesh. So I can do this on the local mode or on the world mode. So for instance, I will show you with the world mode. So actually we've duplicated this using the world position. Okay, so I will go back, select again the polygon, or select nothing. It will copy all those polygons again. So we have the local mode on the Y, and here we have two separate pieces, right? There is no merge run out on this. So in order to merge things, you will get to use those right side mirror mode, one with the local and merge, and world with the merge. So I will use the local merge on the Y, and now as you can see, everything is connected. There is no boundary except of course on those sides. So it's really simple, and what is interesting here is that for whatever reason you have some rotations on the object, at least if the center is correctly oriented, you can control where you are doing the mirror. So it's really simple and really enjoyable for this purpose. So here I will do a local on the Y. You see it's completely respecting the situation. So you can then rotate this. It's okay. It's really functional. So it's really simple for mirroring things. You can also mirror things relative to the parent. So here we have a locator, and the tube is inside this locator as a child, right? So I will just move this this object and maybe rotate it this way. So here we can duplicate this object and mirror it, but relative to the parent. So the simple things is you select the mesh or the polygons, up to you. You will press the Ctrl-Alt-M, mirror, and here actually I need to put this icons, but this is the relative to parent mode. So this one also I have the possibilities to merge things, but as we are in items, there is no merge. So I will do this on the Y axis. So as you can see now, relative to this parent item, we have a mirror position right here. So it can be really handy, and that's really simple to use. It's only based on the axis, but it's really simple to use, right? Okay, so you can also use a different mode with the mirror. You can select the object, and for instance I will select two different edges over here, and it will mirror this object relative to those two edges. So here I'm using Ctrl-Alt-M, mirror from edge, and you can see it mirrors this element and those from those polygons using those two edges that we've selected before. So it's also an option available. So hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, it's undoable, so feel free to use it.